Greetings, it is January 14th, 2018, and I just came across a stack of flyers I had photocopied for about two different slide presentation I gave. The Under the Wings of God art series has since been shortened name and title-wise back in 2013, 5 years ago, to Under the Wings. And so we have K Segan here. I know in some of the other flyers it was K Segan, and now I go by K Segan. So I gave presentations on the Under the Wings series and on the art of Israel Birnbaum from his award-winning children's book by Brothers Keeper, The Holocaust Through the Eyes of an Artist. And they have a reproduction of the second drawing of the Under the Wings series, Man with Tattered Coat in the Warsaw Ghetto. The presentations were at the Hillel Foundation, 1107 University Avenue, April 14, 1996, in the evening, and at the Museum of Art and Archaeology, 106 Pickard Hall, that's at the University of Missouri campus. Not actually fairly close. The following day, April 15th, 1996, at 3:40 p.m. Sponsored by Missouri Alumni Association, University of Missouri Museum of Art and Archaeology, University of Missouri Columbia Art Department, and the Hillel Foundation. There you have it, just as the flyer presented the info. Unfortunately, that presentation was not filmed. A couple of them over the years have been filmed. One at the Fry Art Museum, actually a presentation by Dr. Deborah Schultz, art historian in London, is on YouTube. The art is very hard to see, but her narration is very clear. And most recently, a 1 hour presentation I gave at the Department of Modern Languages at Cardiff University in Wales in early April 2017 is on YouTube, and the art shows up beautifully, really well, as the audience saw it. It was filmed as the presentation was ongoing, like electronically filmed somehow. Anyway, there you have it. That was my graduate school alma mater, by the way, University of Missouri at Columbia, MFA. Mighty Fine Artist, we called it.